I just heard someone say, I need to think about it. They meant think. One sound completely changes the meaning. Here's the truth. Most English learners avoid the th sound. They say sink instead of think, day instead of they, thank instead of thank. But today, that stops. 5 minutes a day. That's all you need to master the th sound. No confusion, no embarrassment, just clear English. Let's start. The th sound is actually two sounds. But don't worry, the tongue position is exactly the same for both. Look at the screen right now. See where my tongue is? The tip of your tongue goes between your teeth, not behind them, between them. You should feel your top teeth touching the top of your tongue. Now here's a trick. Say zzz, like a bee. Zzz. Good. Now move your tongue forward until it touches your teeth. Keep making that Z sound and push your tongue out. Z. The. Did you feel that? That's the voiced the. Now let's talk about the two types of th. First, voice on. Put your hand on your throat. Say zzz. Feel that vibration? That's your voice. Turned on. Now say th with that same vibration. The, this, that. Feel your throat buzzing, that's voiced th. Now, voice off. This time, no vibration, just air, like you're blowing out a tiny candle. The, think, thank. 3. No buzzing, just air flowing out. That's voiceless the. Same tongue position, different voice. Now let's practice. The sound by itself. Repeat after me. Voiceless the 3 times. The, the, the. Good. Now voiced the 3 times. The, the, the. Perfect. You're doing great. Now, here's where it gets powerful. We're not just learning single sounds. We're learning chunks, real English, that you can use today. First chunk, I think. Say it with me 3 times. I think, I think, I think. Great. Next chunk. The thing 3 times. The thing, the thing, the thing. Excellent. Next one. Thank you 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful. Now, this is 3 times. This is, this is, this is. One more, that was, 3 times. That was, that was, that was. Amazing work. Now let's put these chunks into full sentences. Listen first, then repeat. I think that's good. I think that's good. I think that's good. Perfect. Next sentence. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Excellent. Last one. This is the thing. This is the thing. This is the thing. You're crushing it. Now, here's your challenge. Right now, pause this video, go to a mirror, look at yourself, say these 3 chunks, and watch your tongue. I think, thank you. This is, see your tongue. Between your teeth, that's perfect TH pronunciation. Do this every morning until it feels natural. Just 5 minutes. And the th sound will become automatic. No thinking, no translating, just natural English. That's day 1, complete. Right now, go to the comments and tell me, what's the next sound? You want to practice? R sound, V and W, ship versus sheep? Drop your answer below. I'm reading every single comment. Keep practicing and keep flowing.